Who is that? Who is that? Who is it? Who is it? Who? Is that Grandma and Grandpa?
Yeah.
It's broken. It's okay. We can still see them. That's Grandma and Grandpa. Hi, Grandma. Hi, Grandma. Woo! We're going to show this to Grandma and Grandpa. They're going to be excited. Wow, look at you. Are you ready for breakfast? Breakfast? Okay, here we go.